Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own delicious sorrel drink. Okay, first you pick and you wash the sorrel. Okay, then you're going to pour them on some boiling water, right? And then this is the ginger. What I do, you can blend the ginger, okay? And you're going to put it with the sorrel overnight. And you're going to also put some pimento green, all right? So I have already made some, so I'm just going to show you the finishing touch. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll sweeten with some sugar. I'll add a little white rum. And then I'm going to add a little red label. Alright, and I'm going to sweeten. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a taste, so let you know how it tastes. You can put it in the refrigerator to chill. Okay. This is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.